This listing brought to you by the Elson team at Remaxability Plus. Estridge built home West Fin Bsmt on 0.53 acre lot in Beacon Pointe. Traditional floor plan is freshly painted light and bright. Brand new carpet throughout entire home. Laminate flooring in kit Bkfst Rm Fam Rm West WD burning fireplace. Kit features center island and plenty of counter space. Enjoy morning coffee on the screened porch overlooking the fenced backyard. Entertain family and friends on the stamped concrete patio or wood deck west seating. Upstairs features a 16 by 14 master suite and 3 more bedroom plus laundry room. Fin Bsmt is perfect for rec play area plus another room for an office or workout area. The oversized Fin garage west service door is great for storage. Super location is short walk to the Monon Trail and convenient to shopping, restaurants and travel.